Introduction to Airbus. Good morning, everyone. Today we are presenting on Airbus, one of the world leading aerospace company. Airbus is headquartered in Toulouse and was founded in 1970. It designs, manufacturing, and delivers commercial aircraft, helicopters, defense systems, and space technologies. Airbus is known as for innovation, safety, and sustainability in aviation. Some of its famous aircraft includes A320, A350, and A380. The company operates globally and competes with Boeing in the aviation market. So, in the business model canvas, why Airbus, especially in the leading aerospace manufacturer, which focusing on production of aircrafts, military aircrafts, helicopters, which focusing on sustainability to maintain the sustainable global development, strong presence in aviation, defense and space. The problem statement is the global demands for safety, fuel efficient and sustainable in air transportation by reducing carbon emission and cost. So here the Airbus versus its competitor. Airbus operates in a highly competitive market, mainly competing with Boeing. Both companies dominate the global market aircraft manufacturing market. Airbus focus on fuel efficiency, advanced aerodynamics, and passenger comfort, while Boeing emphasizes performance and long-range capabilities, where the Airbus gained popularity with models like A320 families, which are widely used by airlines. The competition-driven innovation, better pricing, and improved safety standards in aviation. Overall, the Airbus has successfully maintained a strong position in the global market through continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. So today we are our student going to elaborate to discuss about the business model canvas of Airbus, explaining all the 9 points to making the business model a grand success. We'll see the in upcoming discussion. Thank you.
Myself Bhaskaran from third year Aerospace Engineering. Now I will explain about the products and services provided by the Airbus company. Airbus offers a wide range of products and services. In commercial aviation, it produces passenger aircraft used by major airlines worldwide. It also manufactures cargo aircraft and private jets. In the defense sector, Airbus develops military aircraft, satellites, and surveillance system. Additionally, Airbus provides maintenance, repair, and overall services. The space division focuses on satellite communication and space exploration technologies, making Airbus a diversified aerospace leader. Thank you.
Business model Canva overview. So Airbus follows a strong business model. Its values proportion includes the fuel efficient, safety, and technologically advanced aircraft. So the main customers are airlines, government, and leasing companies. So Airbus maintains a long-term relationship through after-sales services and supports. It generates a revenue from the aircraft sales, defense contracts, and maintenance services. Key activities include design, manufacturing, and innovation, while key partners include suppliers, engine manufacturers, and regulatory bodies.
Hi, I'm Joshua from third year Aerospace Department. Good afternoon. I'm here to talk about the innovation and sustainability. Airbus focuses heavily on innovation and sustainability. The company is working on reducing the carbon emission through fuel-efficient aircraft and alternative fuels like hydrogen. Projects like zero-emission aircraft aims to make aviation environment friendly, and Airbus also uses advanced materials and digital technologies to improve the performance and safety. Their goal is to achieve sustainable aviations for future.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Davanidhi. I'm Davanidhi from third year Aerospace Department. I'm here to talk about future scope and challenges of Airbus. Airbus faces several challenges and opportunities in the future. One major challenge is intense competition from companies like Boeing and emerging aerospace startups. Additionally, reducing carbon emissions and meeting strict environmental regulation is a key concern. However, Airbus is investing in future technologies such as hydrogen power powered aircraft, electric propulsion, and digital aviation systems. The company is also expanding into space exploration and urban air mobility. With continuous innovation and global demand for air travel, Airbus has strong growth potential in the upcoming years.
So, in conclusion, Airbus is a global leader in the aerospace industry with strong innovation, a diverse product profile, and a sustainable version. Its advanced technology and customer-focused approach make it one of the most trusted aircraft manufacturer in the world. So, Airbus continues to shape the future of the aviation through efficiency, safety, environment responsibility. Thank you.